Welcome to OneNote Obsessed Digital Planner World. In this video, I will show how to open your Teal Digital Planner on your mobile phone after you've uploaded the Teal Planner to your Microsoft OneDrive account. Since Microsoft OneNote is a cloud-based application, installation of the Digital Planner to Microsoft OneDrive will let you reliably access your digital planner from anywhere, whether you're on a PC, a Mac, or on a mobile device either Windows, Android, or iOS-based. To summarize, you can have access to your digital planner from any mobile device, where you can install the Microsoft OneNote app. When you purchase your digital planner, you receive a PDF instruction with the link to shared digital files via Google Drive. When you open a shared Google Drive link, you will see two types of digital files. The first file is a zip file of the digital planner for Microsoft OneNote Windows 10, and the second file would have an extension of .onepkg file for OneNote, also known as OneNote 2016. First, you should upload the Teal Planner notebook to your Microsoft OneDrive cloud, using either OneNote importer method for OneNote Windows 10, or directly importing onepkg file of the planner to your OneNote desktop app. OneNote desktop app is usually a part of your Office 2019 package or Microsoft Office 365. Once you import the Teal Planner to your OneNote PC app, and then sync it with your OneDrive cloud account, or directly import Planner to your Microsoft OneDrive account through OneNote Importer. This action will make your planner available on any of your mobile devices, your laptop, tablet, mobile phone such as iPhone, Surface, Samsung Galaxy, etc. Please see the detailed video instruction on how to upload Teal Planner to your Microsoft account using one of these two methods. I will leave links to these videos in the text description below to this video. After the Teal Digital Planner is imported and saved to a cloud-based OneDrive of your Microsoft account, you should be able to open your Teal Planner notebook on any of your mobile devices, any devices that supports Microsoft OneNote app. To open the Digital Planner notebook from your OneDrive Microsoft account on your phone or tablet, please do the following steps. First, download and install OneNote app on your tablet or mobile phone from either Apple or Google Play Store. Second, open your installed OneNote app and log into your Microsoft account. Third, in OneNote app on your iPad, iPhone, or Android, tap More Notebooks at the bottom of your notebooks list. Then, locate and tap the Teal Planner notebook, in our example Planner 2023, from all the notebooks that you have stored on your OneDrive. After that, the planner is ready, and you can easily navigate to its sections and pages. Please note that the first time you will open the digital planner on your mobile device you may notice that pages may be loaded with some delay, but only for the first time. This is normal because the planner uses imported images as set background. Next time when you open the planner pages, they will load normally. This concludes the installation of the Teal Digital Planner to your mobile device. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section or email them to us directly. Thank you for watching.